In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge CSV files in Google Sheets. We all find ourselves needing to combine data from different sources at some point, and Google Sheets provides a straightforward way to accomplish this task seamlessly. Let's dive right into the process to make the most of your Google Sheets experience. Start by opening a new Google Sheet. This will serve as the workspace where you'll be merging and organizing all your CSV data. Once your new sheet is open, head over to the menu bar at the top and click on File. From the drop-down menu, select Import, and then follow that by clicking on Upload. This is the step where you'll bring in your first CSV file. A prompt will appear, allowing you to browse your device for the CSV file you need. Select the file and then click Open to upload it. After the file uploads, you will be given several import options. Choose Insert New Sheet from the list. This choice is crucial because it ensures that each CSV file you import will have its own dedicated sheet within your Google Sheets document, keeping your workspace organized and your data easily manageable. Once you've got your first CSV file in, you can repeat this process for any additional CSV files you need to merge. Remember, each file will be inserted as a new sheet so that you can work with them individually first. Once you have all your CSV files uploaded and each resides in its own sheet, the next step is to bring all this data together. To do this, navigate to each sheet and select the data that you want to merge. You can effortlessly do this by clicking on the top left cell of your data range and then dragging to the bottom right cell of the data to highlight it all. After selecting the data, copy it by right-clicking and selecting Copy from the context menu, or by simply using the handy keyboard shortcut Ctrl+C on Windows or Command+C on a Mac. Now you'll paste this data into a master sheet you've prepared within your Google Sheets document. This sheet will function as the unified location for all your combined data, making it easy to analyze and use. Switch over to your master sheet and find the starting cell where you want your first dataset to begin. Right-click on this cell and select Paste. Or if you prefer, use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+V or Command+V. Repeat the same process, copying and pasting for each dataset from the other CSV sheets into the master sheet. Ensure the data is stacked vertically as you paste each subsequent set of data directly below the previous set, maintaining the flow and sequence of the combined data. And there you have it. Your CSV files are now merged into one cohesive Google Sheets document. By organizing your data this way, you ensure it's easier to manipulate, analyze, and draw meaningful insights from. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial